Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm here to tell you about one of my most favorite watches from Michael Kors. For those of you who are not familiar with Michael Kors, the brand has been around for a really long time. They make all kinds of beautiful watches, timepieces, bags, jewelry for men, women, you name it, they probably make it. This is a Michael Kors, it's called a Runway watch. So the product number is actually called MK5145. That's actually listed on the back here. So it says Michael Kors MK5145CE, all stainless steel, 251205, 10 ATM, batteries on the back here. Looks really great on. When I got this, I had to get a couple of the links taken off because it was too large for me, but I also have like smaller wrists than the average woman, I think, so that was another reason why I really had to get it like affixed and made smaller for me. So it's really easy to put on and off. It just take off and put on. It just links together like this, and you'll hear it snap. I'm sorry, I'm doing it the wrong way. You'll hear it. Okay, that was the small little snap that you hear. So that's the way that you put it on, stays on. The material that it's made with is actually like super soft, so it's actually really, really comfortable to wear, which I am really happy about because I don't want to, it's like a rubber back, you know, it's like a rubber. So it's like comfortable if you wear it to work or whatever. So it's gold tone rubber bracelet that's around it, MOP dial chronograph watch. It's really beautiful, and the case material is plated stainless steel. The case color is yellow. The case diameter is 38 millimeters. The case thickness is 11 millimeters. The movement is quartz. The calendar is the date. See the date on there. It's the 7th right there. The dial is mother of pearl, water resistant up to 100 meters, so it's okay to do snorkeling and stuff like that if you're on vacation with the watch, but I wouldn't go scuba diving with it. The crown is push and pull. The crystal is mineral. The band material is multi-material. The bandwidth is 20 millimeters, and the UPC number is 691-464-284-268. So you guys could see around like how beautiful it looks and how nice it is. It says Michael Kors in the gold. I think this is really nice to just wear as like your everyday watch. It's really beautiful. I mean, you could wear it to an event. Like I wore it to like my Christmas party at work, which was like earlier in the month, but I don't know if I would really wear it to like a wedding or something like that. I don't really think it's fancy enough, not quite fancy enough for that, but still like really beautiful looking and really pretty, and also very, very comfortable to wear. So it kind of like hits all those points like for your everyday watch. Easy to use, like if you have to change the time, you have the date, you got these dials on the side. So you could, this pushes in, and then these you kind of turn and pull out to set the date, and then you could push them back in. Super, super, super easy to use and really nice. So the chronograph use is casual and classy. Features a calendar display and 24-hour clock. The functionality is perfect. Nice watch. In the accent, it becomes easier to fit any style. In the chic American and jet set luxury worldviews, Michael Kors will be patronized by numerous celebrities from Popular Watch. The white rubber strap with the gold medal of different material combinations are very cute. So the original box, I believe, comes with a manual and warranty certificate. Michael Kors debuted at the New York collection in 1981 by the American fashion designer. Lineup image of intellectual and elegant women has attracted support from a broad range of clothing, bags, shoes, watches, accessories, fragrances, bedding, and deploying variety. So Michael Kors has definitely been around for a really long time. I think this goes great as a gift. Like I said, my husband got this for me for Christmas a couple years back. And I mean, I would give this as a gift to like my mom, sister, niece, you know, sister-in-law. It's beautiful. And definitely worth the price. So if you're looking for a really casual but classy and beautiful watch from Michael Kors, then this is it. It's comfortable and the white and gold is beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. This was Michael Kors watch in MK5145 chronograph ladies watch. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and have a great day.